everyone, welcome back to the Fizz Mum's Kid. That's Liam, it's Ryan. Today we are having a war. You got 20 seconds to run. Lock myself in here. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Flip it out. Okay, sorry. I'll let you run. One free card. 98765432110. Exactly. Rod! I need to reload. Go. Liam, take your scope off. It's a bit unfair. It's alright.
Why?
Just take it off.
I'm also good with
Just take the scope off, please.
Okay, then no one can use it. Deal?
Good deal.
No. I have the...
Let's have the same guns as each other.
Do you think that... Nah!
What?
Nah, bro!
He just spoke to you.
Okay,
You ready?
wait. Let me get another one of those real quick.
20 seconds.
No.
No, you're not getting another one. Run. 19, 18.
I need that, okay? Just wait.
Oh.
I was looking for it.
Okay, everyone outside, carry on. You stop the recording.
Apparently, Liam needs a mag.
Does it?
I don't think it's fair because I have one mag. He's not allowed another one. Liam.
Yeah.
Did you take another magazine?
What? Why?
Good.
Okay, round 2.
What?
Get out! Out! Outside!
Does this one work?
Just put it
Could
down.
have been stuck.
If we need a reload, just go to the station. Go. 9, 10, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 0. My dad said, lucky I have no more ammo. Somebody told me. Cool.
You don't get away stuff.
I'd run if I were you. I'll be done any moment.
Try to reload that one.
Ryan, is Hayden here? Hayden. Is Hayden here? He's there!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
get up.
Right.
Ow! I know my face.
19, 18, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Somebody. One. Here, I need.
I'm reloading. Stop. I'm out. I've been out. Will those work?
I don't know.
The eliminator.
Let me taste. Yeah, I've been out. 7 minutes. What? Time flies when
Good
you're
luck
having
and
fun.
subscribe. In the next video. Bye.